Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine. Spotted this wiring on this tree here, and there's lots of trees in this area that have wiring on them like this. This is a UF cable just strewn about, and I would say this is a violation of 300.11a because this cable is not securely fastened in place. It's just kind of flapping in the breeze, as you can see there. The other problem is the cover that is missing from this receptacle box. In wet locations like this, receptacles are required to be in an enclosure that's weatherproof even when something's plugged in like this. And so we have a violation of section 406.9b1 in this case. Now wiring on trees like this in and of itself is not a violation, but we do have some concerns here with the way the UF is installed and the lack of the cover on that receptacle.